Hey everyone, today we're sewing this DIY market tote bag. It features an extra wide gusset so you can carry everything from your grocery trip. For this project, I upcycled a large shirt, but overall you need less than 1 meter of fabric. We'll also be adding an inner pocket and we will sew the bag up using bias binding. You can download the pattern. It's free on my fourth wall shop. I separated the seam allowances so you can tweak the pattern in case you want to sew it in another size. So let's begin with the front and back pieces. So if you are upcycling, cut out these two pieces first. My shirt wasn't large enough to cut the gusset in a full piece, so I had to patchwork them together. When you get to a corner, lift up the sewing feet with your needle still in the fabric. Refold the gusset so that this folded part here, it lies right on top of the edges, and continue sewing. And then you trim off a bit so that you can wrap it around. Once you wrap it around like this and start sewing all around, and you should get something that looks like this.